Verifying your identity on Cash App is crucial for maintaining account security and accessing all features. If your verification fails, follow these steps to successfully verify your identity. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided is accurate. Double check your name, date of birth, and social security number for any typos or errors. Step 2. Use a valid ID. Prepare a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the ID is clear and all details are legible, as blurry images can lead to verification failure. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Cash App. Go to your device's App Store and check for any available updates, as older versions may have bugs that affect the verification process. Step 4. Contact support. If verification continues to fail, reach out to Cash App support. Use the in-app support feature or visit their website to submit a request for assistance. Provide them with details of your issue for quicker resolution. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information or contacting support, be patient. It may take some time for Cash App to process your verification. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates. Following these steps should help you successfully verify your identity on Cash App. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.